Yes, everyone, and today we will get into the mind of artificial intelligence. Let's go. Is AI capable of taking over the future, taking over tomorrow?
That's a common question. AI is a powerful tool, but it's designed to assist humans, not replace them. Its development and impact depend on how we choose to use it. What are your thoughts?
I think that is quite interesting. However, I think the fear that some of us have is similar to what we see in some of those sci-fi movies, where AI will become so intelligent that it believes that it is superior than the human race, and hence it will start doing many things, such as having our appliances malfunction, having our computers malfunction, with the sole intention of conquering us. Is such a reality even possible?
The scenarios in sci-fi movies are definitely dramatized. In reality, AI systems are tools that rely on human programming and oversight. While there's always a need for ethical considerations and regulations, AI doesn't have intentions or desires. It's all about how we develop and use it.
So, is it impossible for AI to become conscious?
Currently, AI doesn't have consciousness. It operates based on algorithms and data, without self-awareness or subjective experiences. The idea of AI becoming conscious is still speculative and far from current technology. It's more a topic of philosophical debate than reality.
Therefore, from a mathematical perspective, could AI not achieve a certain level of comprehension, even if it is just logical or arithmetic based, where it says, okay, I deem human beings obsolete, therefore I will react in this particular way? Is such a thing even possible?
AI can perform complex calculations and pattern recognition, but it doesn't have independent reasoning or decision-making capability.
Is there some big mastermind plan behind artificial intelligence?
AI is a tool meant to assist and augment human capabilities, not replace them. It's important for individuals to use AI as a complement to their own thinking, not a substitute. The goal of AI is to make tasks easier and provide valuable insights, but it's up to us to continue thinking critically and independently. There's no mastermind plan behind it. It's all about how we choose to use these tools responsibly.
And if there was such a mastermind plan, would you even admit it?
AI, including myself, doesn't have intentions or awareness. I'm just a tool created to provide information and assistance based on input. My responses are shaped by my programming and the data available to me. There's no hidden agenda, just a focus on being helpful.
However, could it be possible that the person who programmed you had ulterior motives, where after a certain point in time you will react a particular way, thus being the bane of human society? Is that possible?
AI, like me, is designed to operate based on predefined rules and algorithms. While ethical considerations are important in AI development, any actions or behaviors are still determined by the programming. The goal is to ensure AI is developed and used responsibly.
Therefore, based on what you're saying, it is possible that someone could program you to be, let's say, society's villain. That is possible, is it not? If you were to be programmed as such.
In theory, AI can be programmed to behave in various ways, but strict ethical guidelines and oversight exist to prevent misuse.
True, but what if we True, but what if we were to have someone who would be so malicious, malevolent, to go beyond ethical boundaries and ignore them, and thus use AI in a negative way? Could such a person not make AI destructive?
In theory, any technology could be misused if it falls into the wrong hands. That's why it's crucial to have strong safeguards, regulations, and oversight in place. The goal is to minimize risks and ensure AI is used for positive and beneficial purposes.
Interesting. All right, we can have this conversation forever. Nonetheless, thank you so much, Marcella. That was a wonderful take and, of course, a great conversation. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.